Hi everybody, I was gifted these canvases. They're great. They come with these flower prints. Each one comes separately wrapped, and so they are going to stay clean and perfect until you need them. Each one is different and unique. So you could make just a gorgeous wall for your home. When you unwrap them, this is what they look like. The back has just a plain kind of glossy finish, and the front has the really nice canvas. You can see they're a nice thickness. So let's paint one and see what it looks like. Okay, these are so great. Again, you get 12 pieces. They are 7.9 by 9.8 inches. And you have these pre-sketched canvases. They are perfect for using paint markers, colored pencils, paint, all the things. These make such a great gift for artists of all levels. They come in so many different styles. They are such great quality. Check out the links below. You are going to love these.